Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we're going to talk about how to convert PDF to Word file. Stick to the end of this video and I will share with you 15 useful software you don't know exist. So, we will convert this file, how to convert PDF to Word. Just a simple test file. And we'll open Google and type PDF convert to Word online. Skip that. Here there's tons of converters, free converters. I personally not recommend you use Adobe because you need registration for it. I will choose this one. I love PDF and select the PDF file. Now just convert to Word. Download to Word. As you can see, this is totally editable Word file. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you want to know about the 15 softwares, click the link at the top of this video.